If you've been a part of our community for a while, you know that we have a challenge called the 30 Money Moves Challenge. It's 30 financial moves we feel can improve your finances in the span of a month's time. And the way it works is when you sign up for each day of the challenge, you get a video and an email from us with a task you can complete in less than half an hour to improve your finances in areas from insurance to investments to student loans and the like. And the reason that we are doing a repost of a previous episode is April is Financial Literacy Month. That's a few days away. And in honor of Financial Literacy Month, we would like as many as possible of you to complete the 30 Money Moves Challenge. So in this episode, we give you a sneak peek of some of the different days of the challenge and the things that we ask you to do in terms of the task and why we feel it's important and beneficial to improving your relationship with your money. So we wanted to make sure that we brought some of those things back to give you a sneak peek of what the challenge looks like and also to drum up some interest in the challenge itself. So if you are interested in completing it, which we encourage all of you to do, you can go to newmoneynewproblems.com/30moneymoves. That's newmoneynewproblems.com/30moneymoves. You can join the challenge. We're going to be getting a group together that will start on April 1st. So if you sign up today, you'll start today. So you can still do it if you want to, but we're going to be putting this in our Instagram stories, on LinkedIn, sharing it with our email list, and get as many people as possible to start on April 1st. So looking forward to that. April is always a fun month where we can celebrate some of the things that we hope we're adding on your journey to wealth. So after I stop talking, the next voice you hear will be me with a sneak peek of the 30 Money Moves Challenge. So let's start with day 4. Day 4 of the challenge is to find a dedicated virtual and physical space to keep your important financial documents. I cannot tell you the number of different bits of information that we require from clients when it comes to things like their tax returns, their homeowner's insurance, an old life insurance policy, anything that you can think of that comes to you physically in the mail in terms of an important financial document. And when we're trying to ask them where it is, they have no dedicated place where they keep important financial matters. So for example, now you have a lot of life insurance policies that will issue the copy of the policy digitally. It will be a PDF format for that policy, but it used to be that all life insurance policies came to you in paper form. So let's say that you have a policy that has $250,000 of death benefit. You're the owner and you're the insured. That means that all of the information related to that policy comes to you. And more importantly, if you're not paying that premium, you're the one that gets notified that the premium hasn't been paid. Well, not only does that present a problem if you happen to be incapacitated, maybe you're suffering from dementia, maybe you have had a serious medical event and you're just not around. You could be in the hospital, you could be in a coma. You never know what lies ahead for you in terms of your health. But for various reasons, if you're not paying that premium, you risk that life insurance policy lapsing. Or if the policy is still active and you happen to pass and your family knows none of the details about that policy, you could literally have $250,000, $500,000, $1 million worth of death benefit that's sitting in some random folder laying around your house. But because nobody in your family knows where the policy is, what the policy is, or where to even start looking, you could literally have a mourning family that's going months and months and months not knowing that that money exists if only they knew where to go to start the claims process. And when it comes to a virtual space for things like life insurance policies that may be issued digitally, or even a copy of your will, it can just save you time being able to call upon important documents by having that physical and digital space that you can point to in a quick fashion.